Hey there, my name's Sarah and I'm going to be sharing with you my first impressions of a few Physicians Formula makeup products that I picked up recently. You might be able to tell on my channel that I actually don't wear makeup too often, but it's not to say that I don't enjoy it. I actually look for, of course, cruelty-free, and the ingredients is really important to me. Now, Physicians Formula I don't think is that clean, but they are trying more than most, I think. I guess we could check an app, which I haven't. Oh, the sun is come. Hello. Okay, I think that's better. The items that I'm going to be doing a first impressions on are firstly Butter Blush in Vintage Rouge, a more creamy to dry consistency, and it comes with an applicator that you apply and then on the other side you blend it out, so that should be interesting. I'm really excited to try the Organic Wear BB Cream. I've always wanted to try like a creamy consistency type of foundation because I have dry skin and anything powdery really shows the flakiness of your skin, which I'm not all about, and I am all about the all-in-one. It's a natural origin all-in-one beauty balm cream, hence the BB. Sunscreen, foundation. What's the base for your foundation? The word I was looking for was primer. It's also a concealer. I'm also going to be doing a first impressions of the Eye Booster 2-in-1 Lash Boosting Eyeliner and Serum. And for the mascara, we are doing Killer Curves Mascara in black. I can't remember if I said the eyeliner is ultra black. I do have a select few other items to complete a natural makeup look that aren't part of the first impressions. I'm really excited to try these things out. So keep in mind, I'm very much a noob at makeup. I have a mirror here. For those experts out there, you're probably like, that's not how you do it. So I accept that I might not be doing this right. Feel free to leave your kind corrections in the comments. I wouldn't mind at all, but I think I can like do a little dippity-do here and dip my beauty blender into it. That doesn't seem to be leaving too much on. And also I think it's hard to tell because it's a little blown out, but it looks good. The lighting's great. Have you used BB cream before? I'm curious to know. What's your favorite brand of makeup? I've never done one of these things. I guess you just kind of like talk about whatever and then fast forward certain bits. I'm going to try to put this on my face, maybe? That doesn't seem like it's gonna work. Maybe on here, directly on the beauty blender. Let's try that. We're doing some experiments. Yeah, I think putting the product directly on the beauty blender helped a bit more, so I'm gonna try that again. My lighting, I think, is too bright, so I'm going to adjust that. I think that's a bit better, less blown out, so you can actually tell what I'm doing in the product and it's not just like blank, bright canvas. Don't want to be deceiving, really, do we? No. I know that you're supposed to like bring it down onto your neck too, but like this stuff is really blending. I can't really tell that I'm wearing it. And I love that there's SPF in this. SPF 20, which isn't a whole lot, but it's better than nothing. I really like this actually. The more that I'm like playing with it and using it, I don't even feel like I have it on. I mean, I don't have a whole lot to cover up and conceal, but if you're just kind of wanting to get like a light coverage, if you have freckles, I think this would be a nice way to kind of like accent them and not totally get rid of them. Wonder if I should do more newbie makeup videos for those of you out there who are also not super big experts and you guys can learn along with me. Those are kind of fun videos, right? I mean, let me know in the comments. I don't know like when I should stop putting this on. I said that really weird. When I should stop putting this on. I think I should use this end for under my eyes. I think I will do that next, but I'm just having so much fun. I do have a couple like sunspots here, which you can't super tell. Yeah, it's doing a good job at like kind of softening it. These products are going to make another appearance in another video coming up early September. Actually with a friend of mine, Nikki. It's going to be a really funny makeup video, purposefully. So you can start kind of like thinking about what that might be. And there's also going to be a video on her channel as well. I'm really excited to start editing that. It's my first official collaboration on this channel. I don't know too many people that are into doing YouTube and have their own channel. Brought you in a little closer because I'm gonna do under my eyes. Yeah, I'm definitely liking the putting the product actually onto the beauty blender because I feel like I was just concealing my hand before when I put it there. So, okay, here we go. I like around my nose. How am I doing for a noob makeup? It's kind of fun to try something new. What's something new that you want to try? I would love to see it on your channel if you have a channel. Next, we're going to do the Brow Last by Physicians Formula Longwear Brow Gel. Literally, I feel like I'm painting my brows. So let's see if I can do this properly on camera. Let me know if you've seen a technique like this before. I haven't seen anything like this. Okay, so I kind of start at the beginning here. And as you can see, like, wow, this is harsh, this is scary. Sometimes it goes well, sometimes it doesn't. So let's just hope it goes okay. I feel like I can't get close enough without being out of frame. Okay, I don't really think I can talk while I'm doing this. Now I'm going to use the spoolie end to spread it out and make it look half normal. With that shot, I was also realizing how much I need to pluck my eyebrows a little bit. So this is one side done. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. And there goes the sun again. So this is the video of the sun coming and going. Woohoo! Okay, brows are done. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. To be honest, if I'm giving like not a first impressions, but how I feel about it, the brush is really hard to work with and it's very easy to, sorry, I was looking in the mirror at myself. Let's close that. It's very easy to be heavy-handed with it and do a little bit too much, but to be honest, my eyebrows have always been really light, so it's really difficult for me to see my eyebrows done, and of course I don't have everything else done. It does give it a bit of a red undertone, but I think my hair kind of has a bit of that, so I think it kind of matches. My next first impression is the Killer Curves mascara. This is what the brush looks like. Let's not get it in the middle of my eyes. Oh, before we do that, I gotta curl my eyelashes. Don't know if I'll include this because it's kind of like a little cringy to watch. Whoa, what a difference curling your eyelashes does. If you're wondering what eyelash curler I use, it's Tweezer Man. It's like a rose gold. I think I got it from Sephora. Let's try this mascara. Let's see what kind of difference this makes. No matter what you do, you look really weird putting on mascara. Let's hope I don't poke my eye out. Ooh, I like the way this feels going on. It definitely does not feel drying at all. I like it to be a little bit more wet of a formula because I tried a dry mascara. Actually, I think it was like an organic wear one from Physicians Formula. I got a bit on my top lid there. Ooh, you know what I should have done was put on some eyeshadow. Whoa, do you see the difference here? Like, I love it so much. It's supposed to be lengthening and curling, which I think it's doing. I hope it lasts because the problem that I have, I feel like I'm just like talking eyes right now. The problem that I have is even though I curl my eyelashes and then put the mascara on, they always droop down flat. So I'm curious to know how this will go throughout the day. Maybe I'll do an update, but right now, wow. See the difference? Mascara? No mascara. So I'm not sure if you can see. Yeah, I think the camera's picking up. There's a little bit of fall out. So as the true newbie I am, I not only forgot to put my eyeshadow on before my mascara, but also my eyeliner. So let's see if I can do that, put a little eyeshadow on and test this eyeliner out. The Eye Booster 2-in-1 Lash Boosting Eyeliner in Serum. If you're, well, I just hit my mouth with that. If you're wondering, I am using an Eco Tools brush and the Tarte palette, Tartlet in Bloom, and I'm gonna be using a Flower Child as my base and Charmed under my eyebrow and inner corner. The eyeliner that I'm a little concerned about putting on because there's just like extra long lashes to deal with. Putting on eyeliner is already a difficult task, and now I just made it a little bit more difficult. Let's go in with the Eye Booster eyeliner now. See how it goes. Oh, I haven't done this type of eyeliner in forever. This is scary. Definitely only doing the one on camera. I mean, okay, I'm not gonna lie, I definitely messed up. I do not know how people do winged liner. Overall, this went on quite well for someone who doesn't know what they're doing. Okay, I think this is the best you're gonna get from me for winged eyeliner. I think this worked just as well as any pen tip eyeliner. It is hard to use because it's so thin, but it is precise, and I think that's just practice. Take note that this has some sort of spring on it, so if you don't quite click it, it could just spring right off, which just happened to me. And now I'm just going to put some Tinted Cinnamon Lip Balm by Hurrah on because I'm gonna use some lip stuff, lip gloss later. Let's try out the Butter Blush in Vintage Rouge. One side of the applicator is for the application and one side is for blending. From the looks of it, the green side isn't as porous and the pink side, the blending part, is a little bit more porous. Got some color on there. How do people use this to put on blush? I've only used powder blush with a normal fluffy brush before. So again, this should be interesting. Yay! Ooh, you can really see that. I understand why you need the blending brush now. I'm sure there's other videos on techniques on how to use this, so I should probably look that up too. But this is my first impression, so I don't want to get any biases. And let's use the blending side. I mean, it feels pretty much the same. This looks a little scary for me. And, whoop. Don't put your elbow in the blush, and let's blend it out with the pink side. I'm so afraid of like putting too much on. I could probably do with a little more, but you can always add more, but you can't as easily take it off. Should I try more? I think I'm gonna try more. Overall, my thoughts on the blush, it's definitely a new thing for me using the cream and the applicator, so I think I just need to practice. But overall, I think it was really fun to use. I'm not sure if I would continue to use the applicator. I wonder what like using your fingers would do. A couple things to test out, and here's the sun again. Woohoo! And I definitely wanted to go for a cream blush too, to go with the kind of cream theme we're going for, just because of the dry skin. Let's put some highlighter on. This one's from Well People. I got it off their website. It's in Bio Brightener Universal Glow. It's in a stick form. I've used this before. I really like it. You just lightly tap and then blend out with your fingers. Try not to be too shiny or too close. I'm kind of afraid to use this too because I never want to look like too greasy or shiny, so I just kind of like tap it, but I'm sure you could like swipe it too. And I like to use it under my eyes too for a little extra highlight. It's not as easy. Probably use your fingers, it would be easier to get more precise. Nice there. I think it would look cute like in the middle of your eyelid. Cute. I mean, it would look good in the middle of your eyelid as well to bring a little dimension. Ooh, I feel like I know what I'm doing now because I've used this before. And then we're going to finish it off with Apple Taffy Shine Lip Liquid from The Body Shop. And I like this. It's a very natural nude look for me. I really like the applicator. And it smells really good. Here is the look all put together with my first impressions and a few other things. Man, I haven't worn makeup in so long, especially not like more of a full face of makeup for me at least. I like the way it looks. Especially comes across on camera very well, which makes sense. I'd have to say my favorites out of the 4 Physicians Formula products that I was using for the first time is the Organic Wear BB Cream and the Killer Curves Mascara. The mascara was definitely number 1 for me. It felt good going on, wasn't too dry, wasn't too wet, lengthened, curved those lashes like it said it was going to, hasn't transferred or done too much fallout, and you can definitely layer with this. And the Organic Wear, it doesn't feel too heavy. It gave me a nice even color. It did the concealing. I'm happy that it's an SPF. Felt good for my dry skin. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and make sure to click that bell icon so you can see my videos as soon as I post them. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Did you like this type of video? I haven't done a makeup beauty video in forever, and I will see you in my next video.